Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time and opportunity given on this occasion. I will present a research proposal titled Competitiveness Analysis of Comparative Advantage of Indonesia Coal Export to the Main Destination Country of South Korea in the IKCEPA scheme. Indonesia is one of the largest producer and exporter of coal in the world, with coal being a strategic commodity that contributes significantly to state revenue. South Korea, on the other hand, is one of the main market for Indonesian coal export. Given its high energy need, with the Indonesia-Korea Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, a significant increase in trade relations between the two countries is expected. The implementation of the IKCEPA trade agreement opens a great opportunity for Indonesia to increase the total and value of coal export to South Korea. However, in the midst of global market dynamic, fluctuating commodity price and competition from other exporting countries such as Australia, Russia, Canada, and Colombia. Problem formulation, some of these on the above background, the research question in this research are: how competitive are Indonesia coal export to South Korea in the period before and after the implementation of the IKCEPA trade agreement? Does Indonesia have a comparative advantage in coal export to South Korea compared to other exporting countries such as Australia, Russia, Canada, and Colombia? How does the implementation of the IKCEPA trade agreement affect the competitiveness of Indonesian coal in the South Korean market? The objective of this research are to analyze the competitiveness of Indonesia coal export to South Korea in the period before and after the implementation of the IKCEPA trade agreement, calculate the comparative advantage of coal export to South Korea against other exporting countries such as Australia, Russia, Canada, and Colombia, evaluate the impact of the implementation of the IKCEPA trade agreement on the competitiveness of Indonesian coal in the South Korean market. There are four theories in this research that I took. International trade theory is the change of goods and services or money that is carried out by mutual agreement and provided mutual benefit and advantage for the parties involved. Meanwhile, international trade refers to business transactions that take place between parties of more than one country. Competitiveness theory is the ability of a commodity to maintain its presence in the market and attract consumer interest in the product to be able to compete in the market, and industry is not only required to have a competitiveness but also certain advantage in order to be able to fight its competitor. Export theory: export is a trade activity carried out by sending goods from within the country to abroad in accordance with applicable regulation. Theory of comparative advantage is dynamic and can change, so that if a country has an advantage is in producing a product, the country needs to maintain its advantage while still competing with other country. This theory proposed by David Ricardo is different from the theory of absolute advantage, which saw more about the ability of a country to produce goods that cannot be produced by other countries. This is the previous research. I took 7 previous research. Framework of thought. Coal export is a sector that acts as one of the largest export in state revenue. South Korea is a major global importer of coal, making it a strategic market with stable demand to support its industry and power generation. The global market is highly competitive. However, where Indonesia must compete with other major exporters such as Australia, Russia, Canada, and Colombia to secure market share in South Korea, but must also deal with changing market dynamic. To analyze this search, the RCA index is used to analyze how much Indonesia coal export market share is compared to the average world market share. IKCEPA is in the study that is descriptive in nature. This agreement provides tariff elimination, preference, and ease of market access that has the potential to increase the competitiveness of Indonesian coal export to the main destination country of South Korea. Hypothesis: RCA for a particular product is greater Then one indicate that Indonesian coal export market share of Indonesia total export value is greater than the average world coal export market share, or that Indonesian coal export are competitive and have a comparative advantage. When a country RCA for a particular product is less than one, indicate that the market share of coal export in relation to the total value of Indonesia coal export is smaller than the market share of global coal export. This condition means that Indonesia does not have competitiveness or comparative advantage, so Indonesia does not specialize in coal export. Type of research. This research is quantitative in nature and aims to analyze the competitiveness of Indonesian coal export using the revealed comparative advantage calculation method. The data in this study use secondary team data consisting of time series data for 10 years from 2016 to 2024. The source of data related to the value of Indonesia and global coal export include BPS, Statista, International Trade Statistics, UN Comtrade Database, the World Bank, International Energy Agency, Federal Customs Service of Russia atau Rosstat, dan Colombia. This research will use the revealed comparative advantage analysis model as a tool for processing and analyzing data. I call export value from country E use US dollar. This study use data on the total call export value from these countries. XIM total call export value from country country E US dollar. In this study, the data used is the total value of call export from a country. XW global call export value US dollar. In this study, the data used is the total value of call export worldwide. XWM total global export value US dollar. In this study, data on the total value of global call export was analyzed. The analysis method used in this research is refer comparative advantage to process and analyze the comparative advantage competitiveness of Indonesian coal export to South Korea. RCA developed by Balasa is one of the most commonly used quantitative method in international trade competitiveness analysis. Refer comparative advantage, process and analyze comparative advantage of Indonesian coal export to South Korea relative to Indonesia overall export structure and South Korea coal import structure. Interpretation of result, RCA for a particular product is greater than one, indicate that country I has a comparative advantage in exporting coal to South Korea. The higher the RCA value, the stronger the comparative advantage. When a RCA for a product is less than one, and indicates that country I does not have a comparative advantage in exporting coal to South Korea. Test step data collection data on value and total value of coal export in US dollar million for variable for the period 2016 to 2024. Ratio calculating the ratio of coal export value and total value from country E to South Korea, as well as the value and total value of global coal export. RCA index calculation, dividing the result of the ratio calculation of coal export value and total value from country E to South Korea and the global coal export value and total value. This concludes the brief presentation of my research proposal. I sincerely hope this research can make a real contribution to understanding and optimizing the potential of Indonesia coal export to South Korea, especially within the framework of the IKCEPA. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.